Hi guys! So now I'm back with another unboxing, and this time I'm obviously going to unbox for you guys Twicecoaster Lane 1, and I have the neon magenta version in this case. So let's open it up. I actually got a lot of goodies, like extra goodies that came with the album, but I split some with my friend, so I won't be able to show you all of them, but I'll show you and I'll tell you what it was, of course. So first off, we have the plastic cover, which is so cute. It has some little stickers right here, and this is the back of it. Just says Twicecoaster Lane 1, and it has the little stamp right here, so we put that aside. And you do get different versions of CDs too. So I got Sana. She's so cute. I love it. It's so pretty. It's like a little lilac. Okay. Let me fix this. There we go. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna put all of these goodies aside. Oh, these are just some. So, Twicecoaster Lane 1, as I mentioned. Ah, she looks so cute. She is my favorite. Absolutely. Ah. Oops. Put that away as well. You get a few pictures of every member, as you can see. Momo. And I love the color scheme they went for. It's all very pleasing to look at. They're wearing a lot of pastel colors, as you can obviously see. And I love that. I love pastel colors. I love seeing it. It's so nice. For me, anyway. Tee tee. I know this album came out a while ago, but I just had the chance to have it with me. I just had the chance to own it, so that's why I'm making this now. I usually make the unboxings as soon as I can. As soon as I have an album, usually takes me about maybe 3 or 4 days to actually make an unboxing of the album. So yeah, and I do buy a lot of like older albums, for instance, like Monster X, and other people. I do buy a lot of their older stuff as well. So yeah, sometimes I'll make like unboxings of older albums. I'm having a hard time turning the page, I'm sorry. Oh, this is so nice. Look, Momo and Aeon are holding hands. Oh, so cute. Get some group pictures, and this is the poster you can see behind. Yes, so pretty. More group pictures. So cute. They're so happy. Just these cute little pictures, pages, sorry. And then you get this, which it's very much the same that they had in Twice page 2, where I believe they're just like little messages from the girls right here. And again, the colors on them, they're wearing pastel colors and it's all matching. It's just so nice, and their outfits are so nice. They all look so good. I love it so much. I love them. I love this. I was actually really excited for this album, and it was definitely not a letdown. It's so nice to listen to and to look at. I don't want to skip any pages. There we go. Group picture. And these are the lyrics. Very tiny print, but still readable if you can read Korean. But yeah, this is it. It's the track list and the lyrics. Thanks to, as usual. And the last page is just a group picture again, and in this one they're eating, which I think is adorable. They are so happy. And yeah, that's it. That is the last one. So now let's look at all the cute little goodies and the postcards and photo cards, I'm sorry, and stuff. So it came with these two. Let me zoom in a little on this. Oop, there we go. There we go. So it came with this one, which again is like the last picture on the photo book, but they have different poses. They're still eating and stuff. So cute. And came with this one, which is also, it's like the poster that you can see right here, but not entirely the same. Still just as cute though. Okay, so let's put these aside. Also, we have stickers, which I think are adorable, and I did get a chance to look at the apricot version, I believe it's called, and they are different stickers. So yeah, they are so cute, and I don't plan on using them, but I still appreciate them. They're really nice. And these are some of the goodies. This album came with 9 extra photo cards. So I got a photo card for every member, and I just split them with my friend. She got some, and I just chose mine. So I got Daehyun. This is what it looks like. Of course, I got my babe. So cute. Mina. And last but not least, Momo. There we go. Let's put those aside. And of course, the genie card that never fails. So there's that. And also, you do get like a hologram card, which I was also really excited about. If I can get this out with these nails, I will show you who I got. I got Momo, and I love this so much. It's so pretty. So cute. So yes, I got Momo, and for the official photo card itself, I got Suyu. This is what she was wearing in the TT video, as you guys can tell already probably. So this is what the back of it looks like. Put that aside as well. And lastly, this was also an extra. It's just an event photo card. Not a photo card, an event picture. It was taken at a fan meeting or something of that sort, and it was supposed to be signed, but it did not come signed, which is fine. It's still really nice to have it. So yeah, that's it. That's all that came in my album, and that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you for watching. Bye.